We are baking off.
Having a bake off. So we'll just cut right to us saying the rules. Clip.
It's like diarrhea.
Did you really just touch me with that?
Who gets the mix? Have like a thing.
So the rules of this game are we're just gonna bake 2 different things and 2 different recipes, and we're just gonna have other people try it and then tell us which is the best. Okay, we're gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna be making gingerbread cookies, and Busy's gonna be making brownies. Okay, so we're just gonna get the ingredients ready and then start. Okay, so this is the recipe, and these are the ingredients. Let's just hop right into it.
We love our family.
Busy! I literally told you I was working there. That was my work. There's literally the entire kitchen. There's the entire kitchen. Move. Busy. Butter and brown sugar tastes so good. Like, I'm not even kidding. Yeah. If I could make you a song. Wait.
Ew. Please don't tell Did you sabotage us? Ew, ew. Wash your hands before you started cooking.
Yeah.
Because I didn't.
Why is it like this? Like, does that look like gingerbread cookie to you? To like. Rubber edit. Because it's like filming.
Can't stop, so shut your mouth. If you're watching this, Mom, can't stop, so shut your mouth. I don't know why it's like clumpy, but we're...
Hannah, I poured all the molasses that you gave us in here, and it's just looking very molassy, and I kind of thinking that you gave us too much. If I could write you a song to make you fall in love. That's no good.
Yeah, she does it all the time.
Divide the dough in half. Cut each half into a thick rectangle. Wrap well. Refrigerate for 1 hour.
Refrigerate for 1 hour.
An hour.
Whoa, look at this. Why is this? Yeah, it tastes really bad, but they're coming out. They're coming out.
Coming out hot.
Busy's brownies are the first things done. Mine aren't even in yet.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so it might look a little different right now in this clip because we're not in the kitchen. And the story time behind that is...
We decided to do some late night boarding with our new board. Thanks, Hannah Butler.
Yeah, at Hannah Butler. Thank you. You're at Jen.
We were boarding in the middle of the street and we got a little too frisky and we leaned back too much and the board just
board
slipped right
flew out from under us.
I fell right on Alice, right on my tongue. So like, it's a bloody mess in this mouth right now.
Okay, everyone, as you can see, we're back in the kitchen, and so I wanted to give you a super quick update about what we're at right now. So Busy's brownies are fully cooked, and her frosting is ready. Mine, however, have not been cooked yet because my gingerbread cookies are still freezing before they have to...
All right, you're good to go.
Before they have to cook. I bet these look really tasty. Well, they're not done yet, so hold your horses. Popping them in now. In the next clip, I'll be taking them out. Okay, they're going in. Okay, so we're in the last stages of the process. A little bit wiped out. It's been like, how many hours? A lot.
It's really been 4 and a half. Sister, yeah. You can give Hannah the sketchy one with the black stuff. Mm-hmm. We'll do the me editing thing.
If I could write you a song to make you fall in love, I would already have you up.
right now. I'm literally crying. Since me and Alice have no friends that like to like help us out, we're just gonna have to judge each other's things.
Yeah. We don't have any judges.
Alice's.
Ugly as frick. They just not that bad. Like if I were to try
Wait, let's review. Go.
right away, you get hit with a very sugary frosting or whatever the icing.
Yeah.
Can't even take the gingerbread till the very end, but still pretty good.
We ate a lot of sugar, not a lot of ginger or snap. Oh, we ate like half of it. I did. Here.
Brownies with normal chocolate brownies with peanut butter frosting. So you taste the peanut butter at the beginning, starts getting more milky, more chocolatey. And overall, pretty good. Like, it's a nice brownie.
The
Better
brownie
than
is, like, really good.
My freaking stale, like
Like
they were just cooked, but they look.
Wow. I just have to say that my brownie is like really soft and fluffy. Like the peanut butter frosting might be like a little overbearing, but I think it's like overall like really good.
Okay, I'm pretty much forfeiting. So there you have it, folks. Busy won. Mine don't taste very good. I mean, they taste like gingerbread cookies, but we're sick of our own stuff.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for.
Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching with Alice and Busy. We had a fun time baking, and peace out.
See titties, click off.